As we enter the lobby, meron pa silang pa-welcome drink. We're here at the Lime Hotel, 5th floor. Here's the birthday girl! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wait! Okay. Go. Open na. Open mo na. Okay. Open na. Go. Ikaw.
Try ko po, try. Ako, sarado ko rin po. Yan, pagka yan, tutulog niya lang po agad.
Go.
Para bumiyan naman.
Walang lakas si birthday girl.
Happy birthday po pala.
Thank you.
Yan, ipin niyo lang po yung hand yan.
Yan. Okay.
Yan, lights on.
Lights on. Yay! Oh, yung room natin doon sa kabila. Oh naman.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Thank you.
This is the bathroom, right? Dang it, I was supposed to close it. Why? What? Kasi may music to eh.
Ay, music? Ay, okay, okay.
Music.
Sa dance tayo. Go! Woo!
Here.
We're here. Uy. Wow! We're here. Hello. Sim ka, nak? Simi.
Pag nasira mo yung swimming pool na to, walang tubig na.
Walang tubig na.
Tapos hindi ko, kasi tinawag ko yung mga
Ano?
sinabi na mag-jump pag walang
Di ka maka-jump. Di ka talaga pwede mag-jump.
sabi ko, pag nasira dyan, pag nasira dyan, walang tubig na to, tapos
Ano? Kaya mo yan.
and then,
Ano?
you don't
Tagalog only. Tagalog.
hear.
Tagalog only.
Look, kasi
May bad bang ice cream? Good ice cream yan? Wow. Yummy ba?
too.
Ay, baby ko, nag-ice cream. Ha? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Sai.
Happy birthday to you.
Good morning. It's already 6 a.m. in the morning. At ito na sila, mga nakababad na naman agad sa TV. Kuya Enzo, hello. Yung isa, saan ka na? Hi. Ayan, maya-maya magpupunta na kami dun sa buffet para sa breakfast. See you later. Birthday, Tati Sa.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Here's my coffee. Siyempre, hindi mawawala sa morning yung coffee. Tara! Kain ka bunso. Sarap-sarap naman. Tapos na sila.
Ah.
Holiday. Second batch. Hi!